If you've ever spent more time shredding cheese and slicing vegetables than actually cooking dinner, you're not alone. Between sore wrists, messy countertops, and the hassle of cleaning multiple kitchen tools, food prep can quickly become the most frustrating part of cooking. That's exactly where the Xgobhc Electric Cheese Grater claims to make a difference. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Xgobhc Electric Cheese Grater, a multifunctional kitchen tool designed for busy home cooks, meal preppers, families, and anyone looking to speed up food preparation without sacrificing convenience. With multiple interchangeable blades and one-touch operation, it promises to replace several manual kitchen tools while saving both time and effort. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the machine has a compact and practical design that feels well suited for everyday kitchen use. It doesn't have the bulky appearance that some electric food processors can have, and that's important if counter space is limited. The body feels stable during operation thanks to its non-slip base, while the detachable components are designed with convenience in mind. The stainless steel blades feel sturdy and sharp enough to handle regular use, and the overall build gives the impression of a product focused more on functionality than flashy design. One of the first things you'll notice is how simple it is to operate. There are no complicated settings, confusing controls, or lengthy setup procedures. The one-button operation makes it approachable even for people who aren't particularly comfortable with kitchen gadgets. Insert the blade you need, load your ingredients, press the button, and let the machine do the work. In real-world use, the biggest advantage is speed. Tasks that normally require several minutes of manual grating or slicing can be completed much faster. Whether you're shredding cheese for tacos, slicing cucumbers for a salad, preparing potatoes for a side dish, or grinding nuts for baking, the machine significantly reduces prep time. The powerful motor provides consistent performance without feeling excessively loud. While it's not silent, the noise level is reasonable for an appliance in this category and unlikely to be disruptive in a typical kitchen environment. The 5 interchangeable blades add a level of versatility that makes this more than just a cheese grater. Depending on the blade installed, it can handle slicing, shredding, wave slicing, and grinding tasks. For households that regularly prepare fresh vegetables, homemade salads, casseroles, pizzas, or baked dishes, having multiple food prep functions in one appliance can be genuinely useful. Cleaning is another area where this machine performs well. Food prep gadgets often lose points because cleanup takes longer than the actual task. Fortunately, most components detach easily and can be rinsed quickly under running water. The base requires only a simple wipe down, making post-meal cleanup far less intimidating than larger food processors. Of course, there are strengths and limitations worth mentioning. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. The combination of speed, ease of use, and multiple blade options makes it a practical tool for everyday cooking. It's particularly useful for families, meal preppers, and anyone who frequently cooks with vegetables or shredded cheese. On the downside, this machine is best suited for light to medium food preparation tasks. If you're processing extremely large quantities of ingredients on a regular basis, a full-size food processor may still offer more capacity. Additionally, while it handles many common ingredients effectively, it's not designed to replace every specialized kitchen appliance. Compared to other electric graters and slicers in the same price range, the Xgobhc stands out because of its balance between versatility and simplicity. Some competing models offer fewer blade options, while others are larger, more expensive, and more complicated to clean. This model strikes a middle ground that many home cooks will appreciate. At the end of the day, the Xgobhc Electric Cheese Grater is a smart choice for people who want to spend less time on food prep and more time enjoying meals. It simplifies repetitive kitchen tasks, reduces manual effort, and offers enough versatility to earn a permanent spot in many kitchens. If you found this review helpful, consider giving the video a like and subscribing for more honest product reviews. And if you're interested in making meal prep faster and easier, check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before any promotions end.